Come. Come even closer. Listen. Do you hear it? It is not enough to simply extend your ear. You have to open your heart as well. For those of you who have walked on her land and stained your fingertips with her soil, the sound is already in your ears, a rich melody etched into your heart. It is the sound of my country. It is the sound of Botswana. Yes, it is the cry of the fish eagle, majestic and clear, and the roar of the lion, unequaled in regal splendor. But it is also the sound of silence across the Kalahari, where even the sound of time seems to be lost in the wind. It is the trumpet of the elephant by day and the howl of the hyena by night. But oh, it is so much more than this. It is the sound of her beloved people, the music that resonates from thousands of lives, all so diverse a people, but with a common melody that sings a song of hope and new beginnings. You want to know my country? We are a rare nation whose beauty beneath the soil can match its beauty above. We have learned how to harness possibility and transform it into prosperity, to build with hope, dream with expectant possibility. Our beautiful country is rich with nature's finest resources, and we successfully mine the opportunities above and beneath the earth. Though we stand proud, arm in arm with our African brothers and sisters, we also stand out as significant players in the global arenas of business, travel, and lifestyle. Come to our cities and see for yourself. Our modern services and infrastructure boast of our efforts to deliver on every promise made for our future, to reach beyond circumstance and lay the bricks to our bright future. Gaborone emerging skyline is built upon the foundation of true democracy, of men who put freedom before personal gain. A storehouse of potential, a scroll of unfolding history, glorious in strength. This is Botswana at its best. But there are other spectacular views, and these no man can create. Stand under the night sky of Savuti and allow the stars to envelop you. Or drink in the rich beauty of the African sun setting over the Chobe River, while nature delivers its finest show. Admire the Okavango with its splendid web of waterways. It is undeniable. Botswana, my country, she is beautiful beyond compare. Botswana, our pride, your destination.